Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in LinkedIn ads, and that is how to create a lead generation form in LinkedIn's ads campaign manager. So with the help of that, we will create the campaign and then we will get the leads from that instant form and we'll able to contact them and convert those leads easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create a lead generation form in LinkedIn campaign manager. So the thing is, what is lead generation form? As you know, LinkedIn ads will give us an option to run a campaign where a person click on the button and redirect to the form which will open on the LinkedIn's, and then they will, if they are interested in our services, they will fill that form there and the data will be saved in the lead generation form and we can download it through the campaign. So for doing that, our first thing which we need to do is to create a lead generation form, because without that we are not able to run a campaign, and that's what our video is about. So today I will let you know how to do it. So as you can see, now we are on the dashboard, like on the campaign manager, and here what you need to do is we have different options, as you know: overview, plan, advertise, test, measurements, data, and assets. And in the assets option, you have the option to create a leads generation form. You just need to click on that, and once you click on that, it will redirect to the lead generation form where you can create a lead generation form for your LinkedIn campaign. And now you just need to click on the option. As you can see, if you have already a form, you can download the leads from here, but right now we didn't have any form, so there are no record to show. So we need to create a form first. And how we can create it? We just need to click on the create form button, and after that it will redirect us to the form where we need to put information and what kind of information we want from the client. If you need a number, like email, name, address, their location, so you all things which you want from a visitor, from a client, you need to create the form accordingly so that you can get the details, and after that you will contact them as soon as possible and convert that lead easily. So this is, and here you just need to fill that information as first of all you need to name your form, like I will name it test and new. Oh, and then you need to select the language, on which language you want to show your form to the visitors. As my I will, let's suppose I will choose English right now. If you want, you can choose Italian, Japanese, whatever, where you want to show the ads, which is your target location, you can do it accordingly. Okay, I will choose English, and after that you just need to add a headline, like I will make a test, like test it. So as you can see, it will show at the top of the form, so you can use like get your solar installers now, as I'm using it as a test. So whatever you want to show your visitor, you can write it here, and then you can also add some details as well. And then you need to choose the columns, what kind of columns you want. Like these are the three main columns that everybody want in their form, like first name, last name, email address, but you can also add some other as well. Like if you want some LinkedIn profile URL, you can add it here: phone number, city, state, province, like the things you want, like job title, functionality. If you want their company name, you can also add company name as well. So there are a lot of options, like what kind of degree they have, if they have a demographic, gender, or if they are male, female. So you can write all the questions here so that they will fill it, and after that you will get some queries like answers, and then you can contact them easily. And after that you have the option of creating the custom questions as well. as custom caution is like if you have the caution which are not in the predefined cautions like contact, email, last name, you can create it here. Like if I have a caution, if like I'm testing it, so I'm making test if you are willing to join. So I will use that caution and choose multiple option, like multiple choice option. If you want to give that, you can do it here. If not, you cannot. And after that, you can choose the multiple questions. Like if you're willing to join, you can give the answer like yes or no if you want the answer in yes or no. So you can create that option as well. And after that, you can see if you are willing to join, we have that option here. So all the things you can do it here. After that, you need to add your, if you have a website, you can add a like privacy policy link. Like I will add test.com privacy policy page. You can add your website privacy policy page here. So this is how you do it. This is in here, you can add some privacy, like I have used a test, so it giving me an error, but you can use your website thing here, and then you can add the privacy policy text here. And after that, in the confirmation message, what kind of things you want to do, like you can add a message, thanks, we will contact you as soon as possible. So that message will be flash here after the filling up the form. If somebody filling up the form, the message will be here. You can use whatever you want to use, you can use it here. Yes. And after that, you need to add a confirmation CTA, whether you want to redirect them to your website, or you want to give some like PDF or these kind of things. What kind of CTA you want to give them, you can do it from here. You like I always give the option to visit company website, so that they can like land there and know more about our company. So I will prefer visit company website will be best if you want to choose a good CTA after filling up the form. And then you can add your website email. Like I will add test.com here. You can add your as well, and then just you need to click on the agree and create button. Once you click on it, your form will be created, and in the same way you'll see it's look like this. Your form will look like this. All the question will be there, and when somebody fill up the form, you will get that information. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a form in the LinkedIn ads lead generation form in the LinkedIn ads campaign manager.
So if you like the video, do like, share, comment, and if you have any query or concern, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen. And if you have any query on any related topic, you can comment in the comment section, and I will create a video for the same. Thank you so much.